Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by logging into Italki and navigating to the classroom for your scheduled lesson. Once done, open the lesson page and upload the exact files you will use. This prevents delays. Make sure your microphone, camera, and screen share permissions are enabled in the browser so you can present slides or audio without interruption. Check headset levels and close unrelated tabs to avoid notifications. Now join the classroom early to confirm everything loads and to greet the student. You move through the lesson by sharing your screen for slides and then switching to the classroom whiteboard to model examples. This creates visual and interactive variety. While speaking, monitor audio levels and mute yourself when the student speaks to reduce echo. If background noise is a problem, use push-to-talk settings. Keep an eye on chat for student questions and use a visible timer to pace drills and conversation tasks. Transition cleanly between activities so the student stays focused and engaged. You end by summarizing key points and giving clear homework, then upload any final resources directly into the classroom so the student can review. Make sure to stop the recording and verify it's saved if you recorded the lesson. Confirm payment and feedback steps if needed. If something goes wrong, like audio failure, refresh the page, rejoin using the original lesson link, or switch browsers or devices. Keep calm, explain the fix to the student, and resume once connectivity is stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.